Welcome, fellow explorers of the night. Tonight, we embark on a journey into the hidden world of sound, a world teeming with whispers and rumbles beyond the reach of our human ears. We're going to delve into the realm of bioacoustics, specifically focusing on how animals utilize low-frequency sounds, infrasound and high-frequency sounds, ultrasound to navigate, communicate, and perhaps surprisingly, even to find rest. Prepare to be amazed by the intricate acoustic tapestries woven by creatures great and small, a symphony of secrets unfolding in the darkness. Imagine a world where sound isn't just something you hear, but something you feel, something you use to map your surroundings, to connect with others miles away, or to lull yourself into a peaceful slumber. This is the reality for many animals, and understanding their acoustic world offers us profound insights into the natural world and even into the very nature of sound itself. Let's start with infrasound, those low-frequency vibrations that hum beneath our conscious awareness. Infrasound is generally defined as sound waves below the lower limit of human audibility, which is typically around 20 Hz. These low frequencies possess remarkable properties. Unlike higher frequency sounds, which are easily absorbed by the environment, infrasound waves can travel vast distances with minimal attenuation. This makes them an ideal medium for long-range communication, especially in environments where other forms of communication might be limited. One of the most iconic examples of infrasound communication is found in elephants. These majestic creatures use low-frequency rumbles to communicate across several kilometers, even through dense vegetation. Their calls, often below the range of human hearing, can convey information about social status, reproductive state, and potential threats. Think of it as a secret language, a private network of information shared among family groups, invisible and inaudible to most other species. The ability of elephants to use infrasound has profound implications for their social structure and survival. It allows them to maintain contact with distant relatives, coordinate movements across vast territories, and warn each other of danger, such as approaching predators or changes in weather patterns. Researchers have even discovered that elephants can use infrasound to detect seismic vibrations in the ground, potentially allowing them to anticipate earthquakes or locate underground water sources. But elephants aren't the only animals that utilize infrasound. Whales, particularly baleen whales like humpbacks and blue whales, are also masters of low-frequency communication. In the vast expanse of the ocean, where visibility is often limited, sound becomes the primary means of communication. The songs of whales, often complex and haunting melodies, can travel hundreds or even thousands of kilometers, connecting individuals across entire oceans. The purpose of these whale songs is still not fully understood, but it's believed that they play a crucial role in mating rituals, territorial defense, and social bonding. The low frequencies of their calls allow them to propagate through the water with minimal loss of energy, effectively turning the ocean into a giant acoustic network. Imagine the loneliness of the deep sea, and then imagine the comfort of hearing the song of another whale, a distant connection across the watery void. Beyond communication, infrasound also plays a vital role in navigation for some animals. Migratory birds, for example, are believed to use infrasound to orient themselves during long-distance flights. The Earth itself generates infrasound through various natural processes, such as wind patterns, ocean waves, and seismic activity. These subtle vibrations create a kind of acoustic map that birds may use to stay on course, especially during nighttime migrations when visual cues are limited. Think of it as an internal compass, attuned to the planet's infrasonic hum. It's a remarkable adaptation that allows birds to navigate with incredible accuracy, even across thousands of kilometers of unfamiliar terrain. The exact mechanisms by which birds detect and interpret infrasound are still being investigated, but it's clear that this hidden world of sound plays a critical role in their ability to navigate the globe. Now, let's shift our focus to the other end of the spectrum, ultrasound. Ultrasound refers to sound waves with frequencies above the upper limit of human hearing, typically above 20 kilohertz. While we can't hear these high-frequency sounds, many animals are exquisitely sensitive to them, using them for a variety of purposes, including echolocation, hunting, and communication. The most well-known users of ultrasound are bats. These nocturnal creatures have evolved a sophisticated system of echolocation, using high-frequency calls to navigate and hunt in the dark. Bats emit a series of ultrasonic pulses and then listen for the echoes that bounce back from objects in their environment. By analyzing the timing, frequency, and intensity of these echoes, bats can create a detailed acoustic map of their surroundings, allowing them to detect and track even the smallest of insects in midair. The precision of bat echolocation is truly remarkable. They can distinguish between different types of insects, estimate their size and distance, and even track their movements in real time. It's like having a highly sophisticated sonar system built into their brains, allowing them to navigate the night with unparalleled accuracy. But bats aren't the only animals that use echolocation. Dolphins and porpoises also rely on ultrasound to navigate and hunt in the underwater world. They emit a series of clicks and whistles, and then listen for the echoes that bounce back from objects in the water. This allows them to detect prey, avoid obstacles, and communicate with each other, even in murky or dark conditions. The echolocation abilities of dolphins are particularly impressive. They can use ultrasound to create detailed images of objects hidden beneath the sand, identify different types of fish, and even detect subtle changes in water temperature. It's a testament to the power of sound as a sensory tool, allowing these marine mammals to thrive in a world where vision is often limited. Beyond echolocation, ultrasound also plays a role in communication for some animals. Many small rodents, for example, use ultrasonic calls to communicate with each other, especially during mating rituals and territorial disputes. These high-frequency calls are often beyond the range of human hearing, allowing the rodents to communicate without attracting the attention of predators. The use of ultrasound in rodent communication highlights the importance of considering the acoustic environment for the perspective of the animal. What might seem like silence to us could be a cacophony of ultrasonic calls, a hidden world of communication unfolding right under our noses. Understanding these hidden acoustic landscapes is crucial for understanding the behavior and ecology of these animals. Now, let's delve deeper into how these acoustic abilities might influence an animal's ability to rest. It might seem counterintuitive that sound, often associated with activity and alertness, could also play a role in promoting sleep and relaxation. However, recent research suggests that certain types of sounds, particularly those found in natural environments, can have a calming effect on the nervous system, promoting relaxation and sleep. Think about the gentle rustling of leaves in a forest, the soft lapping of waves on a shore, or the distant chirping of crickets on a summer night. These natural soundscapes are often rich in low-frequency sounds and subtle variations in amplitude and frequency. These acoustic characteristics can have a soothing effect on the brain, reducing stress and promoting a sense of calm. Studies have shown that exposure to natural sounds can lower heart rate, reduce blood pressure, and decrease levels of stress hormones like cortisol. These physiological changes are all associated with relaxation and sleep. In contrast, exposure to artificial sounds, such as traffic noise or construction sounds, can have the opposite effect, increasing stress and disrupting sleep. But what about the infrasound and ultrasound that animals use to communicate and navigate? Could these sounds also play a role in their ability to rest? The answer is likely complex and depends on the specific species and the context. However, it's conceivable that certain types of infrasound or ultrasound could have a calming effect, especially if they are associated with safety, social bonding, or a sense of belonging. For example, the low-frequency rumbles of elephants might provide a sense of security and connection for family groups, promoting relaxation and sleep. Similarly, the ultrasonic calls of rodents might convey a sense of safety and comfort among littermates, facilitating restful sleep. The key is that the sounds must be perceived as non-threatening and associated with positive experiences. In contrast, exposure to unfamiliar or alarming infrasound or ultrasound could have the opposite effect, triggering a stress response and disrupting sleep. This is why it's so important to protect animals from noise pollution, which can mask natural sounds and disrupt their ability to communicate, navigate, and rest. The impact of noise pollution on animal sleep is an area of growing concern. Studies have shown that exposure to anthropogenic noise can disrupt the sleep patterns of birds, mammals, and even insects. This can have a range of negative consequences, including reduced foraging efficiency, impaired immune function, and decreased reproductive success. For example, birds that are exposed to traffic noise during the breeding season may have difficulty sleeping, which can lead to reduced parental care and lower chick survival rates. Similarly, marine mammals that are exposed to sonar or other loud underwater noises may experience stress, disorientation, and even hearing damage, which can disrupt their ability to forage, communicate, and rest. The good news is that there are steps we can take to reduce noise pollution and protect the acoustic environment for animals. These include implementing noise regulations, reducing traffic speeds, using quieter technologies, and creating protected areas where noise levels are minimized. By understanding the importance of sound for animal communication, navigation, and rest, we can take steps to create a more harmonious acoustic environment for all living creatures. This not only benefits animals, but also enhances our own well-being, as exposure to natural sounds has been shown to have a positive impact on human health and happiness. So, as you drift off to sleep tonight, consider the hidden world of sound that surrounds you. Imagine the elephants communicating across vast distances, the whales singing their haunting melodies, the bats navigating the night with their ultrasonic sonar, and the rodents whispering secrets inaudible to our ears. It's a world of wonder and mystery waiting to be explored. And perhaps, by tuning into these subtle soundscapes, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of protecting the acoustic environment for generations to come. Now, let's take a closer look at some specific examples of animals that utilize low-frequency sounds in fascinating ways. Consider the case of the African bullfrog. These amphibians are known for their deep, resonant calls, which can travel surprisingly long distances across the African savanna. But what's particularly interesting is that these calls contain a significant amount of infrasound, frequencies below the range of human hearing. Researchers have discovered that African bullfrogs use this infrasound to communicate with each other, especially during the breeding season. The low-frequency vibrations can travel through the ground, allowing the frogs to sense the presence of potential mates or rivals even when they are hidden from view. It's like a subterranean communication network, allowing the frogs to coordinate their breeding activities and avoid unnecessary conflicts. The use of infrasound by African bullfrogs highlights the importance of considering the substrate through which sound travels. In many cases, we tend to focus on airborne sounds, but for many animals, the ground or water can be just as important, if not more so. These substrates can transmit sound waves over long distances, allowing animals to communicate and navigate in ways that would be impossible through the air alone. Another fascinating example of low-frequency sound use can be found in the world of insects. While insects are often associated with high-pitched buzzing sounds, many species also produce and detect low-frequency vibrations. These vibrations can travel through plant stems, soil, or even spider webs, allowing insects to communicate, find mates, and detect predators. For example, some species of leafhoppers use low-frequency vibrations to communicate with each other while feeding on plant sap. These vibrations can travel through the plant stem, allowing the leafhoppers to coordinate their feeding activities and avoid competition. Similarly, some spiders use low-frequency vibrations to detect the presence of prey caught in their webs. The vibrations act as an early warning system, alerting the spider to the presence of a potential meal. The study of insect bioacoustics is a rapidly growing field, revealing new insights into the complex communication strategies of these tiny creatures. It's a reminder that the world of sound is not limited to the sounds that we can hear, but extends far beyond our sensory capabilities. Now, let's turn our attention to the use of ultrasound by marine mammals. While we've already discussed the echolocation abilities of dolphins and porpoises, there's another fascinating aspect of their ultrasonic communication: the use of high-frequency whistles to convey information about identity, location, and emotional state. Dolphins, in particular, are known for their complex whistle repertoires. Each dolphin has a unique signature whistle, which it uses to identify itself to other members of its pod. These signature whistles are learned early in life and remain stable throughout the dolphin's lifetime. It's like having a personal name, allowing dolphins to recognize and address each other even in noisy or crowded environments. In addition to signature whistles, dolphins also use other types of whistles to communicate about a variety of topics, such as food availability, potential threats, and social interactions. These whistles can vary in frequency, duration, and complexity, conveying a wide range of information. Researchers are still working to decipher the meaning of these different whistles, but it's clear that dolphins have a sophisticated system of acoustic communication. The use of ultrasound by marine mammals is not without its challenges. Human activities, such as shipping, sonar, and oil exploration, can generate loud underwater noises that interfere with dolphin communication and echolocation. This noise pollution can have a significant impact on dolphin behavior, leading to stress, disorientation, and even strandings. Efforts are underway to reduce noise pollution in the marine environment, including developing quieter ship designs, regulating the use of sonar, and establishing marine protected areas where noise levels are minimized. By protecting the acoustic environment for marine mammals, we can help ensure their survival and well-being. Let's explore further how animals adapt their acoustic strategies to different environments. Consider the difference between communication in a dense forest versus an open grassland. In a forest, sound waves are easily scattered and absorbed by trees and vegetation, making it difficult for animals to communicate over long distances. As a result, forest animals often rely on low-frequency sounds, which can penetrate through the dense foliage with less attenuation. They might also use repetitive calls or songs, which are easier to detect against the background noise of the forest. In contrast, animals living in open grasslands have fewer obstacles to contend with, allowing them to use a wider range of frequencies and more complex vocalizations. They might use higher frequency calls, which can travel farther in the open air, or more elaborate songs, which can convey more detailed information. The acoustic environment also plays a role in shaping the physical characteristics of animals. For example, animals that rely on echolocation often have specialized ear structures that are highly sensitive to high-frequency sounds. Bats, for example, have intricately shaped ears that help them to focus and amplify the echoes of their ultrasonic calls. Similarly, animals that communicate using low-frequency sounds often have large vocal cords or resonating chambers that allow them to produce powerful low-frequency vibrations. These adaptations highlight the close relationship between animal behavior and the environment. Animals have evolved a remarkable array of acoustic strategies to thrive in different habitats, and understanding these strategies is essential for understanding their ecology and behavior. Now, let's consider the role of learning in animal communication. While some animal calls are innate, meaning that they are genetically programmed, many others are learned through experience. This is particularly true for complex vocalizations, such as bird songs and dolphin whistles. Young animals learn these vocalizations by listening to and imitating their parents or other members of their social group. The process of vocal learning is similar to the way that humans learn to speak. Young animals listen to the sound around them and gradually learn to produce those sounds themselves. They may start by babbling or experimenting with different sounds, and then gradually refine their vocalizations until they match the adult repertoire. Vocal learning allows animals to adapt their communication signals to changing environments. For example, birds living in urban areas may learn to modify their songs to be heard above the background noise of the city. Similarly, dolphins living in noisy environments may learn to increase the amplitude of their whistles to improve their communication range. The capacity for vocal learning is not unique to humans. Many other animals, including birds, mammals, and even some insects, are capable of learning new vocalizations. This suggests that vocal learning may be more widespread in the animal kingdom than previously thought. Let's now explore the ethical considerations surrounding bioacoustics research. As we learn more about the acoustic world of animals, it's important to consider the potential impacts of our research on their well-being. Bioacoustics research often involves recording and analyzing animal sounds, and in some cases, it may involve manipulating the acoustic environment to study animal responses. It's crucial to conduct bioacoustics research in a way that minimizes disturbance to animals and avoids causing them harm. This may involve using non-invasive recording techniques, conducting research in controlled environments, and carefully considering the potential impacts of acoustic manipulations. It's also important to be aware of the potential for bioacoustics research to be used for purposes that could harm animals. For example, acoustic weapons could be used to deter or control animal populations, or acoustic surveillance could be used to monitor animal movements without their knowledge or consent. As bioacoustics researchers, we have a responsibility to use our knowledge and skills in a way that benefits both animals and humans. This requires careful consideration of the ethical implications of our research and a commitment to conducting research in a responsible and sustainable manner. Now, let's delve into the future of bioacoustics research. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated tools and techniques for studying the acoustic world of animals. These include miniaturized recording devices, advanced signal processing algorithms, and sophisticated acoustic modeling software. These new tools will allow us to study animal communication and behavior in greater detail than ever before. We will be able to track animal movements, identify individual animals, and even decipher the meaning of complex animal vocalizations. This will provide us with unprecedented insights into the lives of animals and the complex ecological relationships that connect them. We can also expect to see bioacoustics research playing an increasingly important role in conservation efforts. By monitoring animal sounds, we can track population trends, identify areas of habitat degradation, and assess the effectiveness of conservation interventions. This will allow us to make more informed decisions about how to protect animals and their habitats. Bioacoustics research also has the potential to contribute to human health and well-being. By studying the calming effects of natural sounds, we could develop new therapies for stress, anxiety, and sleep disorders. We can also use bioacoustic principles to design quieter and more comfortable environments for humans to live and work in. The future of bioacoustics research is bright, with the potential to transform our understanding of the natural world and improve the lives of both animals and humans. By embracing new technologies and adopting a responsible and ethical approach to research, we can unlock the full potential of this fascinating field. Let's explore the connection between bioacoustics and climate change. Climate change is altering the acoustic environment in many ways, with potentially significant consequences for animals. Changes in temperature, precipitation, and sea level can affect the distribution of plants and animals, which in turn can alter the acoustic landscape. For example, as forests become drier and more prone to wildfires, the acoustic environment may become less complex and diverse. This can make it more difficult for animals to communicate and navigate, and it can also reduce the availability of habitat for acoustic specialists, such as bats and owls. Climate change is also affecting the acoustic environment in the oceans. As ocean temperatures rise, the distribution of marine animals is shifting and the acidity of the ocean is increasing, which can affect the ability of sound to travel through the water. This can make it more difficult for marine mammals to communicate and echolocate, and it can also increase their exposure to noise pollution. Bioacoustics research can play a crucial role in understanding and mitigating the impacts of climate change on animals. By monitoring animal sounds, we can track changes in population distributions, assess the impacts of habitat degradation, and evaluate the effectiveness of climate change adaptation strategies. This will allow us to make more informed decisions about how to protect animals in a changing world. Finally, let's consider the role of citizen science in bioacoustics research. Citizen science involves engaging members of the public in scientific research, and it can be a powerful tool for collecting large amounts of data over wide geographic areas. Bioacoustics is particularly well suited for citizen science, as it can be relatively easy to record and analyze animal sounds using readily available technology. Citizen scientists can contribute to bioacoustics research in many ways, such as recording animal sound in their backyards, identifying animal calls from audio recordings, and reporting observations of animal behavior. This can help to expand our understanding of animal communication and behavior, and it can also raise awareness about the importance of protecting the acoustic environment. There are many online platforms and mobile apps that allow citizen scientists to participate in bioacoustics research. These platforms provide training materials, data collection tools, and opportunities to interact with other researchers and citizen scientists. By participating in citizen science projects, individuals can make a valuable contribution to scientific knowledge and help to protect the natural world. As we conclude our exploration of acoustics and ultrasound in the animal world, remember the profound impact sound has on the lives of these creatures. From the vast, low-frequency communications of elephants and whales to the intricate ultrasonic world of bats and dolphins, sound is not just a sensory experience, but a vital tool for survival, navigation, and social connection. The hidden soundscapes of nature are full of secrets waiting to be discovered, and by listening closely, we can gain a deeper understanding of the complex relationships that connect all living things. So, the next time you find yourself in nature, take a moment to close your eyes and listen. You might be surprised at what you hear, or rather, what you feel in the hidden world of sound. The symphony of nature is always playing, even when we can't hear it with our own ears. It's a reminder that there's always more to discover, more to learn, and more to appreciate about the world around us. And now, as you prepare to drift off to sleep, let the gentle sounds of nature fill your mind. Imagine the rustling of leaves, the lapping of waves, and the distant calls of animals. Let these sounds soothe your senses and guide you into a peaceful slumber, knowing that you are connected to a vast and intricate web of life, a symphony of secrets unfolding in the darkness. Sweet dreams, and may your sleep be filled with the wonders of the acoustic world. And as you transition into a restful state, consider the technological marvels that allow us to eavesdrop on these hidden conversations. Hydrophones, underwater microphones, reveal the complex vocalizations of marine life, from the haunting songs of humpback whales to the rapid clicks of dolphins echolocating their prey. These sensitive instruments allow scientists to study marine animal behavior without disrupting their natural environment, providing invaluable insights into their social structures and migration patterns. Similarly, sophisticated acoustic recording devices placed in forests and jungles capture the low-frequency rumbles of elephants, the subtle rustling of nocturnal creatures, and the intricate calls of insects, creating a comprehensive soundscape of the terrestrial world. The data gathered from these recordings is then analyzed using advanced software, allowing researchers to identify individual animals, track their movements, and decode the meaning of their vocalizations. Machine learning algorithms are increasingly being used to automate this process, sifting through vast amounts of audio data to identify patterns and anomalies that would be impossible for humans to detect manually. This technology is not only revolutionizing our understanding of animal communication, but also providing valuable tools for conservation efforts. By monitoring animal populations through their acoustic signatures, we can detect changes in their behavior, identify areas of habitat loss, and assess the impact of human activities on their environment. Think about the implications of understanding and even potentially mimicking animal communication. Imagine being able to understand the distress calls of endangered species, allowing us to respond quickly to threats and protect them from harm. Or consider the possibility of using acoustic signals to deter animals from entering human-populated areas, reducing human-wildlife conflict. While these technologies are still in their early stages of development, they hold immense promise for the future of conservation. beyond the scientific and conservation applications. Exploring the acoustic world of animals also offers a profound philosophical perspective. It reminds us that our own sensory experience is just a small window into the vast and complex reality of the natural world. There are entire dimensions of perception that are beyond our human senses, worlds of sound, smell, and light that are only accessible to other creatures. By opening our minds to these different perspectives, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity of life on Earth and our place within it. So, as you continue to relax and let go of the day's stresses, consider the interconnectedness of all living things through the medium of sound. Imagine the intricate web of communication that stretches across continents and oceans, connecting animals in ways that we are only beginning to understand. This web of sound is a reminder that we are all part of a larger ecosystem, and that our actions have consequences for all living things. By protecting the acoustic environment, we are not only protecting the animals that depend on it, but also preserving the beauty and wonder of the natural world for future generations. Let the gentle waves of sound wash over you, carrying you away to a place of peace and tranquility. Imagine yourself floating in a vast ocean, surrounded by the soothing sounds of marine life. Feel the vibrations of the earth beneath you, connecting you to the ancient rhythms of nature. Let these sounds guide you into a deep and restful sleep, knowing that you are part of something much larger than yourself. Good night, and may your dreams be filled with the magic of the acoustic world. Sleep soundly, knowing that even in silence, the symphony of nature continues. And as you drift further into slumber, consider the future of bioacoustics research. Scientists are constantly developing new and innovative technologies to study animal sounds. From sophisticated underwater microphones that can detect whale songs across vast distances, to tiny acoustic tags that can be attached to birds to track their movements and vocalizations. These technologies are providing unprecedented insights into the lives of animals and the complex ways in which they use sound. One exciting area of research is the development of artificial intelligence algorithms that can automatically identify and classify animal sounds. This technology has the potential to revolutionize bioacoustics research, allowing scientists to analyze vast amounts of audio data much more quickly and efficiently than ever before. Imagine a world where we can monitor the health of entire ecosystems simply by listening to the sounds of the animals that live there. This is the promise of AI-powered bioacoustics. Think about the ethical considerations, too. As we become more adept at listening to and understanding animal sounds, we also have a responsibility to protect their acoustic environment. Noise pollution from human activities, such as shipping, construction, and resource extraction, can have devastating effects on animals that rely on sound for communication, navigation, and survival. It's crucial that we take steps to mitigate noise pollution and create quieter, more peaceful habitats for animals. This might involve implementing noise reduction technologies on ships, establishing marine protected areas where noise levels are strictly controlled, or simply being more mindful of the impact of our activities on the acoustic environment. We also need to be mindful of how we use acoustic technology to interact with animals. For example, the use of acoustic deterrents to keep animals away from human-populated areas should be carefully considered to ensure that it does not have unintended consequences for animal behavior or welfare. Consider the incredible diversity of acoustic adaptations that have evolved in the animal kingdom. From the echolocation of bats and dolphins to the seismic communication of elephants, animals have developed a remarkable array of ways to use sound to navigate, communicate, and perceive the world around them. Each of these adaptations is a testament to the power of natural selection and the incredible creativity of evolution. For example, some species of moths have evolved the ability to detect the ultrasonic calls of bats, allowing them to evade predation. Other animals, such as the pistol shrimp, can generate incredibly loud snapping sounds that they use to stun their prey. The more we learn about these acoustic adaptations, the more we appreciate the ingenuity and complexity of the natural world. So, as you continue to relax and prepare for sleep, let the sounds of the animal kingdom fill your mind. Think about the whales singing in the depths of the ocean, the bats echolocating in the night sky, and the elephants communicating across vast distances. These sounds are all part of a rich and complex tapestry of life that connects us all. By listening to and understanding these sounds, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the natural world and our place within it. Remember that even in the quietest of moments, the world is full of sound, and that every sound tells a story. Let these stories guide you into a peaceful and restful sleep, knowing that you are part of something truly amazing. Sweet dreams, and may your night be filled with the gentle whispers of the natural world. And as you drift further into relaxation, consider the fragility of these acoustic landscapes. Human activities, such as shipping, construction, and resource extraction, can generate significant amounts of underwater noise pollution that can disrupt the ability of marine animals to communicate, navigate, and find food. This noise pollution can have devastating consequences for marine ecosystems, leading to declines in populations and even extinctions. It's like trying to have a conversation in a crowded, noisy room. Imagine how much harder it would be to hear and understand what others are saying. For marine animals, this constant noise can be a matter of life or death. Think about the gentle giants of the ocean, the whales. These magnificent creatures rely on low-frequency sounds to communicate over vast distances, sharing information about migration routes, mating opportunities, and potential dangers. But the increasing levels of human-generated noise are masking these crucial signals, making it harder for whales to find each other and coordinate their activities. This can lead to increased stress, reduced reproductive success, and even strandings. The same is true for many other marine species, from dolphins and seals to fish and invertebrates. All are affected by the increasing levels of noise in the ocean. Even on land, human activities can have a significant impact on animal acoustic communication. Urban noise pollution, such as traffic and construction, can mask the calls of birds and other animals, making it harder for them to find mates, defend territories, and warn each other of predators. This can lead to changes in animal behavior, such as altered vocalizations and shifts in habitat use. Imagine trying to attract a mate in the middle of a busy city street. It would be a real challenge. For animals living in urban environments, adapting to the noise pollution is a constant struggle. But there is hope. By becoming more aware of the impact of our activities on the acoustic environment, we can take steps to reduce noise pollution and protect the delicate soundscapes of the natural world. This could involve implementing stricter regulations on noise levels from ships and construction sites, developing quieter technologies, and creating protected areas where noise pollution is minimized. We can also support research efforts to better understand the effects of noise pollution on animal behavior and ecology. Every small action counts, and together we can make a difference. As you continue to relax, visualize yourself in a quiet forest, surrounded by the gentle sounds of nature. Imagine the rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the buzzing of insects. These sounds are all part of a complex and interconnected web of life that sustains us all. By protecting these acoustic environments, we can ensure that future generations will be able to experience the wonder and beauty of the natural world. So, let the soothing sounds of the animal kingdom lull you into a peaceful sleep. Imagine the gentle hum of a beehive, the soft hooting of an owl, and the rhythmic chirping of crickets. These sounds are all reminders of the interconnectedness of life and the importance of protecting our planet. As you drift off to sleep, remember that you are part of something much larger than yourself, and that your actions can have a positive impact on the world around you. Sleep well, and may your dreams be filled with the gentle whispers of the natural world, a serenade of life itself. Let the low frequencies resonate within you, bringing calm and peace to your mind and body. Good night. And now, let's delve even deeper into the fascinating world of low-frequency communication, exploring specific examples of animals that rely heavily on these subtle soundscapes. Consider the elephant, a magnificent creature known for its complex social structures and intelligence. Elephants communicate over vast distances using infrasound, sounds below the range of human hearing. These low-frequency rumbles can travel for miles, allowing elephants to coordinate movements, warn of danger, and maintain social bonds within their herds. Imagine an elephant herd spread across the African savanna. They can communicate effectively even when separated by considerable distances, thanks to the power of infrasound. These rumbles aren't just simple signals. They can convey a range of information, from identifying individuals to expressing emotional states. Scientists studying elephant communication have discovered subtle variations in these rumbles that suggest a sophisticated level of social interaction. Similarly, whales, especially baleen whales like humpbacks and blue whales, use low-frequency sounds to communicate across vast oceanic distances. The ocean, while seemingly silent to us, is a complex acoustic environment. Low-frequency sounds travel exceptionally well through water, allowing whales to communicate across hundreds, even thousands of kilometers. These whales produce elaborate songs, complex sequences of sounds that serve various purposes, including attracting mates and establishing territories. The haunting melodies of whale songs have captivated scientists and nature enthusiasts alike, offering a glimpse into the rich social lives of these marine giants. The structure of these songs can change over time, reflecting cultural transmission and adaptation within whale populations. The ability to communicate over such vast distances is crucial for these migratory species, allowing them to coordinate movements, find food sources, and maintain social cohesion. But it's not just large mammals that utilize low-frequency sounds. Many smaller animals, including insects and amphibians, also rely on these subtle vibrations for communication and navigation. For instance, certain species of insects use low-frequency vibrations to locate mates or warn of predators. These vibrations can travel through the ground or through plant stems, providing a discrete means of communication that is less likely to be intercepted by predators. Similarly, some amphibians use low-frequency calls to attract mates in noisy environments, such as near rushing water. These low-frequency calls are less likely to be masked by the ambient noise, giving them a better chance of being heard by potential partners. The ground beneath our feet is alive with these subtle vibrations, a hidden world of communication that we are only beginning to understand. Furthermore, the study of these low-frequency soundscapes is not just about understanding animal behavior. It also has important implications for conservation efforts. By monitoring the acoustic environment, we can detect changes in animal populations, identify areas of critical habitat, and assess the impact of human activities on wildlife. Acoustic monitoring can be a powerful tool for detecting illegal logging or poaching, as well as for assessing the effectiveness of conservation measures. Imagine a network of acoustic sensors deployed across a protected area, constantly listening for the sounds of wildlife. This information can be used to track animal movements, identify threats, and inform management decisions. By listening to the sounds of nature, we can gain valuable insights into the health and well-being of our planet. So, as you continue to relax and prepare for sleep, consider the incredible diversity of life that surrounds us, a symphony of sounds that we often fail to hear. Think of the elephants rumbling across the savanna, the whales singing in the ocean depths, and the insects vibrating in the soil beneath our feet. These sounds are all part of a complex and interconnected web of life that sustains us all. By protecting these acoustic environments, we can ensure that future generations will be able to experience the wonder and beauty of the natural world. Let the gentle vibrations of the earth lull you into a peaceful sleep, a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. Feel the calmness wash over you as you imagine the gentle sway of kelp forests, the rhythmic crashing of waves on the shore, and the distant calls of seabirds. These sounds are all part of the natural soundscape of the ocean, a symphony of life that has been playing for millennia. As you drift off to sleep, remember that you are connected to this vast and ancient world, and that your actions can have a positive impact on the future of our planet. Sleep soundly, knowing that you are part of something much larger than yourself, a web of life that extends from the depths of the ocean to the farthest reaches of the land. Let the low frequencies resonate within you, bringing peace and tranquility to your mind and body. Sweet dreams. As you settle deeper into relaxation, visualize the intricate root systems of ancient trees reaching far beneath the forest floor. Imagine the subtle creaks and groans of these giants as they communicate with each other through mycorrhizal networks, a hidden world of fungal connections that transmit information and resources. These low-frequency vibrations, imperceptible to our conscious awareness, are the language of the forest, a constant exchange of messages that sustains the entire ecosystem. Picture the slow, deliberate movements of sloths in the rainforest canopy, their bodies acting as living seismographs, sensing the subtle tremors of the earth and the vibrations of approaching predators. Their survival depends on their ability to interpret these low-frequency signals, a testament to the power of acoustic awareness in the natural world. Now, shift your focus to the polar regions, where the vast expanse of ice and snow seems silent and still. But beneath the surface, a hidden world of acoustic activity thrives. Imagine the Weddell seals diving deep into the frigid waters, emitting complex vocalizations that travel for hundreds of kilometers. These calls are not just random noises. They're sophisticated forms of communication used to attract mates, defend territory, and navigate the underwater landscape. Think of the emperor penguins huddled together in massive colonies, relying on their unique vocal signatures to find their partners, and chicks amidst the cacophony of the crowd. Their ability to distinguish these subtle acoustic differences is crucial for their survival in the harsh Antarctic environment. And consider the bowhead whales, singing their haunting melodies under the ice, their voices echoing through the frozen depths, carrying messages of hope and resilience in a world of constant change. As you continue to breathe deeply and let go of any tension, contemplate the fascinating world of insects, the unsung heroes of the acoustic realm. Imagine the gentle hum of bees as they vibrate their wings to collect pollen, a sound that attracts other bees to the most abundant sources of nectar. Think of the intricate songs of crickets and grasshoppers, each species with its own unique acoustic signature, used to attract mates and establish territories. These sounds are not just background noise. They're essential for the reproduction and survival of these vital pollinators and decomposers. Picture the tiny vibrations of spiders as they sense the movements of their prey on their webs, a testament to the sensitivity of their acoustic senses. And consider the complex communication systems of ants, using vibrational signals to coordinate their activities and defend their colonies, a remarkable example of social organization in the insect world. Let these images and sounds wash over you, creating a sense of peace and tranquility. Remember that the natural world is full of wonders, waiting to be discovered and appreciated. By listening to the low-frequency soundscapes of our planet, we can gain a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of protecting these delicate acoustic environments. Allow the gentle vibrations to soothe your mind and body, preparing you for a restful and rejuvenating sleep. Sweet dreams of the natural world, a symphony of life that surrounds us all. Now, shift your focus to the underwater realm, where low-frequency sounds play a crucial role in the lives of countless marine animals. Envision the gentle giants of the sea, the baleen whales, communicating across vast distances through their deep, resonant calls. These infrasonic signals, too low for human ears to detect without specialized equipment, can travel hundreds, even thousands of miles through the ocean, connecting individuals and populations separated by immense expanses of water. Imagine the social bonds being reinforced, migration routes being coordinated, and potential dangers being warned about, all through these subtle acoustic vibrations. These low-frequency calls are particularly vital in the deep ocean, where sunlight is scarce and visibility is limited. Sound becomes the primary means of communication and navigation, allowing whales to maintain contact with their kin and navigate the complex underwater landscape. Think about the smaller, yet equally fascinating creatures that rely on low-frequency sounds for survival. Picture the various species of fish that use drumming muscles to produce low-frequency calls for courtship and territorial defense. These sounds, often undetectable to us, create a complex acoustic environment in the ocean, influencing the behavior and distribution of marine life. Consider the snapping shrimp, whose powerful claws create cavitation bubbles that produce a loud, low-frequency snap, used for both hunting and communication. The collective snapping of countless shrimp can create a continuous background noise in coastal waters, a soundscape that is both fascinating and essential for the ecosystem. Even the seemingly silent sea turtles utilize low-frequency vibrations to navigate and find suitable nesting sites, relying on their sensitivity to these subtle cues to ensure the survival of their species. Let your mind wander to the forests and jungles of the world, where low-frequency sounds create a hidden symphony of life. Imagine the deep rumbles of elephants communicating across miles of dense vegetation, their infrasonic calls allowing them to maintain social bonds and coordinate their movements. These low-frequency signals can travel through the ground as well as the air, allowing elephants to communicate even when they are out of sight of each other. Think of the rhinoceros, using its sensitive hearing to detect the low-frequency vibrations of approaching predators, giving it an early warning of danger. Consider the tapirs, using subtle vocalizations to communicate in the dimly lit undergrowth, relying on sound to navigate their complex social lives. The rainforest floor is alive with these low-frequency vibrations, a hidden world of communication and awareness that is essential for the survival of these magnificent creatures. As you drift further into relaxation, reflect on the impact of human activities on these delicate acoustic environments. Envision the noise pollution generated by ships, sonar, and construction, disrupting the natural soundscapes and interfering with the ability of animals to communicate, navigate, and find food. Think of the consequences for marine mammals, whose low-frequency communication signals are masked by the constant din of human activity, making it difficult for them to find mates, avoid predators, and maintain social cohesion. Consider the impact on migratory birds, whose navigation abilities are disrupted by noise pollution, leading them astray and increasing the risk of collisions. It is crucial that we become more aware of the impact of our actions on the acoustic environment and take steps to mitigate the harmful effects of noise pollution, ensuring that future generations can continue to enjoy the symphony of life that surrounds us. Embrace the quietude now, allowing the last echoes of these natural soundscapes to fade into the background. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath, the comforting weight of your body on the bed, and the peaceful stillness of your mind. Know that you are connected to the natural world, a part of the intricate web of life that encompasses all living things. Let go of any remaining thoughts or worries, and allow yourself to drift into a deep and restful sleep, filled with dreams of the wonders of the natural world. Sleep soundly, knowing that you are a part of something larger than yourself, a universe of interconnectedness and beauty. May your dreams be filled with the gentle hum of life, the soothing vibrations of nature, and the quiet peace of the night. Good night. Think about the subtle ways even terrestrial insects utilize low-frequency vibrations. Many species communicate through the ground, sending messages of alarm, courtship, or territorial defense through the substrate. These vibrations, imperceptible to our ears, are a vital part of their sensory world, allowing them to navigate the complex terrain of the forest floor and interact with each other in ways we are only beginning to understand. Imagine the intricate network of vibrational communication pulsing beneath your feet as you walk through a forest, a hidden symphony of insect life unfolding in the soil. Consider the profound implications of this hidden acoustic world for conservation. As we encroach further into natural habitats, we disrupt these delicate soundscapes, potentially impacting the ability of animals to thrive. Simple actions like reducing noise levels in parks and protected areas can make a significant difference in preserving the integrity of these acoustic environments. Moreover, advancements in bioacoustics research are providing us with new tools to monitor and protect endangered species. By listening to the unique vocalizations of animals, we can track their populations, identify critical habitats, and assess the impacts of human activities. Now, let's turn our attention to the ocean depths, a realm of perpetual twilight where low-frequency sound plays an even more crucial role. Whales, dolphins, and other marine mammals rely heavily on sound for communication, navigation, and foraging. The vast distances that sound can travel underwater make it an ideal medium for these animals to stay connected across the immense expanse of the ocean. Imagine the songs of humpback whales echoing through the deep, complex melodies that carry messages of love, longing, and social connection. These songs, often lasting for hours, are a testament to the power of acoustic communication in the marine world. Picture the bowhead whale, an Arctic giant capable of producing some of the loudest and lowest frequency sounds in the animal kingdom. These whales use their powerful vocalizations to communicate across vast distances in the icy waters of the Arctic, maintaining social bonds and coordinating movements in the challenging environment. Their low-frequency calls can travel hundreds of kilometers, allowing them to stay in touch with other members of their pod, even when separated by vast stretches of ocean. Think of the resilience of these creatures, adapting to the harsh conditions of the Arctic and relying on sound to navigate the icy landscape. As we learn more about the acoustic world of animals, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of life on Earth. We begin to understand that sound is not just a passive phenomenon, but an active force that shapes the behavior, ecology, and evolution of countless species. And as we become more aware of the impact of our own actions on the acoustic environment, we could take steps to protect this vital resource for future generations. Allow these thoughts to gently fade as you focus on your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, the gentle rhythm of your heart, and the quiet stillness of your mind. Imagine yourself surrounded by the soothing sounds of nature, the gentle rustling of leaves, the soft murmur of a stream, the distant calls of birds. Let these sounds wash over you, carrying away any remaining tension or stress. As you drift closer to sleep, remember the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the hidden worlds that exist all around us. Know that you are a part of this vast and interconnected web of life, and that your actions have an impact on the world around you. Choose to live in harmony with nature, to respect the delicate balance of the ecosystem, and to protect the beauty and wonder of the natural world. Close your eyes now and let go of any remaining thoughts or worries. Allow yourself to drift into a deep and restful sleep, filled with dreams of the wonders of the natural world. May your dreams be filled with the gentle hum of life, the soothing vibrations of nature, and the quiet peace of the night. Sleep well, and now let's gently shift our focus to another realm where low-frequency sounds reign supreme, the insect world. While we often associate insects with high-pitched buzzing and chirping, many species also utilize low-frequency vibrations for communication and navigation, often imperceptible to the human ear. Consider the fascinating world of termites, for instance. These social insects live in complex colonies, often underground, and rely on vibrations to coordinate their activities. They use low-frequency signals to communicate about food sources, potential threats, and even to build and maintain their intricate tunnel systems. These vibrations travel through the soil, acting as a sort of underground internet, connecting the entire colony and allowing them to function as a single, highly organized unit. The study of these vibrations, termed tremulation, reveals a hidden world of communication beneath our feet, a testament to the ingenuity of nature in utilizing sound for survival. Similarly, certain species of moths employ low-frequency sounds as a defense mechanism against predators. Some moths, for example, emit ultrasonic clicks that are inaudible to humans, but can startle or confuse bats, their primary predators. However, other moths utilize low-frequency vibrations to detect the presence of spiders lurking in their webs. By sensing these subtle vibrations, the moths can avoid becoming entangled in the web, effectively evading predation. This intricate interplay between predator and prey, mediated by low-frequency sound, highlights the complex ecological relationships that exist in the natural world. But the impact of low-frequency sound extends beyond communication and defense. It also plays a crucial role in the orientation and navigation of various animals. For example, many migratory birds use infrasound, extremely low-frequency sound waves to navigate long distances. Infrasound can travel for hundreds or even thousands of kilometers, allowing birds to orient themselves using natural sources of infrasound, such as ocean waves, wind patterns, and even seismic activity. These natural sonic maps provide birds with a reliable navigational aid, enabling them to undertake incredible journeys across continents and oceans. The ability to sense and interpret infrasound is a remarkable adaptation that allows these creatures to navigate the world with incredible precision. Think about the implications of human activities on these animal soundscapes. Noise pollution from ships, construction, and other sources can interfere with animal communication, navigation, and foraging. The constant barrage of anthropogenic noise can mask the subtle signals that animals rely on for survival, disrupting their behavior and potentially impacting their populations. It is becoming increasingly clear that we need to be mindful of the acoustic environment and take steps to minimize our impact on the natural soundscapes of the world. This includes implementing noise reduction measures in urban areas, regulating shipping noise in marine environments, and protecting natural habitats from excessive noise pollution. By doing so, we can help to ensure that animals can continue to thrive in their natural environments and that the intricate symphony of life on Earth remains undisturbed. Now, let's allow these thoughts to gently recede, like the tide pulling back from the shore. As you focus on your breath, imagine yourself standing on a quiet beach, listening to the gentle lapping of the waves. Feel the cool sand beneath your feet, the soft breeze on your skin, and the calming rhythm of the ocean. Let the sounds of the sea wash over you, carrying away any remaining tension or stress. Imagine the vastness of the ocean teeming with life and the intricate web of connections that bind all living things together. Remember the whales communicating across vast distances, the termites coordinating their activities underground, and the birds navigating using the Earth's infrasonic signals. Know that you are a part of this incredible tapestry of life, and that your actions have an impact on the world around you. Choose to be a steward of the environment, to protect the natural world, and to preserve the beauty and wonder of our planet for future generations. As you drift deeper into sleep, let go of any remaining thoughts or worries. Allow yourself to be enveloped by the peaceful stillness of the night. Imagine yourself surrounded by the gentle hum of life, the soothing vibrations of nature, and the quiet peace of the universe. May your dreams be filled with the wonders of the natural world, the beauty of the night sky, and the infinite possibilities of the universe. Sleep soundly, knowing that you are a part of something vast and magnificent. May your sleep be deep and restorative, and may you wake refreshed and ready to embrace the day. Good night. As you continue to breathe deeply and evenly, consider the profound silence that exists even within the noisiest environments. Beneath the cacophony of human activity, there lies a realm of subtle vibrations and low-frequency whispers, a hidden world perceived by creatures whose senses are attuned to the Earth's deepest rhythms. Think of the slow, almost imperceptible growth of plants, their roots reaching deep into the soil, sensing the presence of water and nutrients through subtle changes in pressure and vibration. Imagine the intricate network of fungi that connect trees in the forest, facilitating communication and resource sharing through a complex system of chemical and electrical signals. These are the unseen and unheard conversations that underpin the health and resilience of our ecosystems. Now, let your mind wander to the vast expanses of the desert, a landscape often perceived as barren and lifeless. Yet, beneath the surface, a vibrant community of creatures thrives, adapted to the harsh conditions and relying on low-frequency sounds for survival. Picture the kangaroo rat, its large ears finely tuned to detect the faint rustling of predators in the sand, allowing it to escape danger with remarkable speed. Envision the desert tortoise, its shell acting as a resonator, amplifying the vibrations of the earth and helping it to locate potential mates or sources of water. These animals are masters of their environment, using their unique sensory abilities to navigate, communicate, and survive in a world that is largely hidden from our own perception. Consider also the role of low-frequency sounds in the lives of insects, creatures often overlooked in our understanding of a natural world. Think of the termites, building their intricate colonies underground, communicating through vibrations transmitted through the soil. Imagine the ants, coordinating their activities with remarkable precision, using subtle chemical signals and vibrations to guide their movements and maintain the complex social structure of their colony. These tiny creatures play a vital role in the health of our ecosystems, and their ability to perceive and utilize low-frequency sounds is essential to their survival. As you feel yourself drifting further into relaxation, reflect on the importance of preserving these natural soundscapes for future generations. Imagine a world where the subtle vibrations of the earth are drowned out by the relentless noise of human activity. A world where animals are unable to communicate, navigate, or find food. This is not a distant dystopia, but a very real possibility if we fail to take action to protect our planet from excessive noise pollution. We have a responsibility to be mindful of our impact on the environment and to work towards creating a more harmonious relationship with the natural world. Let the gentle sounds of nature lull you into a deeper state of relaxation. Picture yourself lying in a meadow, surrounded by wildflowers, listening to the gentle buzzing of bees and the rustling of leaves in the breeze. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the soft earth beneath your back, and the peaceful stillness of the moment. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, to let go of any remaining worries or anxieties, and to simply be. As you continue to drift off to sleep, know that you are connected to all living things on this planet, that you are a part of something vast and magnificent. May your dreams be filled with the wonders of the natural world, the beauty of the night sky, and the infinite possibilities of the universe. Sleep soundly, knowing that you are loved, supported, and cherished. May your sleep be deep and restorative, and may you wake refreshed and ready to embrace the day with renewed energy and enthusiasm. Good night and sweet dreams. Now, let's turn our attention to the ocean depths, a realm of mystery and wonder where low-frequency sounds reign supreme. Imagine the colossal blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, communicating across vast distances using infrasonic calls that can travel for hundreds, even thousands of miles. These deep, resonant moans and pulses are far below the range of human hearing, yet they carry vital information about mating opportunities, migration routes, and potential dangers. Think of it as an underwater internet, a network of acoustic signals connecting individuals and populations across entire ocean basins. Scientists believe that these calls may even play a role in maintaining social cohesion within whale communities, reinforcing bonds and facilitating coordinated movements. Consider also the fascinating world of marine invertebrates, creatures often overlooked in discussions of animal communication. Many species of jellyfish, for example, are now known to produce low-frequency vibrations that they use to coordinate their movements and attract prey. These subtle pulsations, imperceptible to human ears, create localized currents in the water, drawing in unsuspecting plankton and other small organisms. Similarly, certain species of crabs and shrimp utilize low-frequency sounds to defend their territories and attract mates, creating a complex acoustic landscape on the ocean floor. This hidden world of underwater communication is only now beginning to be fully understood, as new technologies allow us to eavesdrop on the conversations of these elusive creatures. But it's not just about communication. Low-frequency sound also plays a crucial role in navigation for many marine animals. Sharks, for instance, possess highly sensitive receptors in their lateral line system that allow them to detect minute vibrations in the water. These vibrations can be caused by the movements of prey, the flow of currents, or even the subtle shifts in the Earth's magnetic field. By interpreting these acoustic cues, sharks can navigate through murky waters and locate food sources with remarkable precision. Similarly, sea turtles rely on low-frequency sounds to orient themselves during their long migrations, using the Earth's magnetic field as a compass and the subtle vibrations of the ocean as a guide. Think about the implications of human activities on these sensitive acoustic environments. Noise pollution from ships, sonar, and offshore construction can disrupt animal communication, interfere with navigation, and even cause physical harm. Imagine trying to have a conversation in the middle of a construction site or trying to find your way home in a blinding snowstorm. That's the kind of challenge that many animals face every day as a result of human-generated noise. By understanding the importance of low-frequency sounds in the natural world, we can take steps to mitigate our impact and protect these vital acoustic habitats. As you continue to relax and prepare for sleep, consider the interconnectedness of all living things. From the smallest insects to the largest whales, every creature on Earth plays a role in the intricate web of life. And low-frequency sound, often invisible and imperceptible, is one of the threads that connects us all. Let the gentle sounds of nature fill your mind, washing away any stress or tension that you may be holding on to. Imagine yourself surrounded by the beauty and wonder of the natural world, a place of peace, harmony, and tranquility. Let your breath be deep and even, your body relaxed and still. Picture yourself floating on a calm ocean, the gentle waves lapping against your skin. Feel the warmth of the sun on your face, the soft breeze in your hair. Allow yourself to drift further and further into sleep, knowing that you are safe, secure, and loved. May your dreams be filled with the sounds of nature, the gentle hum of the earth, and the whispers of the universe. Sleep now, and let your mind wander through the realms of imagination and possibility. Tomorrow is a new day, full of opportunities for growth, learning, and connection. Rest well and wake refreshed, ready to embrace the world with open arms. Sweet dreams and good night. And as you drift deeper, consider the sheer scale of these low-frequency soundscapes. Think of the vastness of the oceans, the sprawling forests, the endless deserts, all resonating with these subtle vibrations. It's a symphony of nature playing out on a scale that's almost incomprehensible to us. Each ecosystem has its own unique acoustic signature, a blend of sounds that reflects the species that inhabit it, the geological features that shape it, and the weather patterns that influence it. These acoustic landscapes are constantly evolving, changing with the seasons, the tides, and even the time of day. Imagine, for instance, the low rumble of a glacier calving in the Arctic. This sound, traveling for hundreds, even thousands of miles underwater, can be detected by marine mammals far from the source, providing them with information about changing ice conditions and potential hazards. Or consider the subtle vibrations created by a colony of termites deep within a rainforest. These vibrations, imperceptible to our ears, can be used by other insects and animals to locate food sources, avoid predators, or even communicate with each other. The more we learn about these low-frequency soundscapes, the more we appreciate the complexity and interconnectedness of the natural world. It's a reminder that even the seemingly insignificant sounds can have profound effects on the environment and the creatures that inhabit it. And it highlights the importance of protecting these acoustic environments from human disturbance. Every sound we introduce into the natural world, from the hum of a passing car to the roar of a jet engine, has the potential to disrupt the delicate balance of these acoustic ecosystems. So, as you continue to relax and let go of the day's worries. Think about the sounds that surround you, even the ones you can't hear. Imagine the earth breathing, vibrating, and communicating in ways that we are only beginning to understand. And consider the role that we can all play in protecting these vital acoustic habitats, ensuring that they continue to thrive for generations to come. Let the gentle rhythm of your breath lull you into a peaceful sleep, knowing that you are connected to something larger than yourself, a vast and intricate web of life that is sustained by the power of sound. Feel your muscles relax, your mind quiet down, and your spirit soar. You are safe, you are loved, and you are at peace. Let the sounds of nature guide you into a deep and restful slumber. Visualize yourself surrounded by calming blue light, each breath taking you further into a state of tranquility and serenity. Feel the weight of the world melt away, replaced by a sense of lightness and joy. Sleep now, and allow your subconscious mind to explore the wonders of the natural world. Dream of vast oceans, lush forests, and endless skies. Dream of the creatures that inhabit these places, their voices singing in harmony with the earth. And when you wake, may you carry with you a renewed appreciation for the beauty and interconnectedness of all living things. Sweet dreams and good night. As you drift further into relaxation, consider the sheer scale of these low-frequency conversations happening all around us. Think of the migratory whales communicating across entire oceans, guiding their pods through vast and often treacherous waters using infrasonic calls that travel hundreds, even thousands of miles. Their songs, complex and haunting, are not just random noises. They're carefully structured messages conveying information about food sources, potential dangers, and social bonds. These whales are, in essence, creating a massive underwater network, a global web of communication that we are only just beginning to decipher. And it's not just whales. Elephants, too, are masters of low-frequency communication. Living in complex social groups, they use infrasound to maintain contact over long distances, especially in dense forests where visibility is limited. These rumbling calls can warn of predators, signal mating opportunities, and reinforce family ties. Imagine the intricate social tapestry woven by these low-frequency messages, a constant hum of information flowing through the African savanna. We are only scratching the surface of understanding the nuances of their communication, the subtle inflections and variations that convey different meanings. Consider also the smaller creatures, the insects and amphibians that rely on low-frequency vibrations to navigate their world. Some insects use vibrations in the soil to find mates or locate food sources, while certain frog species communicate through low-frequency calls that are barely audible to the human ear. These subtle vibrations play a crucial role in their survival, allowing them to thrive in environments that might seem silent to us. The forest floor, far from being a quiet place, is actually a cacophony of low-frequency signals, a hidden world of communication that we are only just beginning to appreciate. Think about the implications of this hidden world of sound. What other secrets are waiting to be uncovered? What other species are using low-frequency communication in ways that we haven't even imagined? The possibilities are endless, and the potential for new discoveries is truly exciting. As our technology improves and our understanding deepens, we may one day be able to fully decipher the language of animals, unlocking the mysteries of the natural world and gaining a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things. Now, as you continue to breathe deeply and relax, imagine yourself as a part of this vast acoustic landscape. Feel the vibrations of the earth beneath you, the subtle hum of life that surrounds you. Know that you are connected to every living creature on this planet, each one playing a vital role in the delicate balance of nature. Let the sounds of the earth soothe you, comfort you, and guide you into a peaceful and restful sleep. Visualize yourself walking through a tranquil forest, the sunlight dappling through the leaves, the gentle breeze rustling in the trees. Hear the distant calls of birds, the murmur of a nearby stream, the rustling of leaves under your feet. Feel the soft earth beneath your toes, the warmth of the sun on your skin. Let this peaceful scene fill your mind, washing away any stress or anxiety that you may be feeling. Allow yourself to drift deeper and deeper into relaxation, letting go of all thoughts and worries. Surrender to the gentle rhythm of your breath, and allow the sounds of nature to guide you into a deep and restful slumber. You are safe, you are loved, and you are at peace. Sleep well, and sweet dreams that as you drift further into this state of tranquility. Consider the profound impact of low-frequency sounds on entire ecosystems. Think about the migration patterns of whales, guided across vast oceans by infrasonic signals that travel hundreds, even thousands of miles. These colossal creatures, masters of the deep, communicate in a language that is largely imperceptible to human ears, sharing information about feeding grounds, breeding locations, and potential dangers. Imagine the intricate network of acoustic pathways that crisscross the ocean floor, a symphony of whale song that connects populations across continents. The disruption of these pathways, caused by human activities such as shipping and sonar, can have devastating consequences for these magnificent animals, disrupting their navigation, communication, and ultimately, their survival. Similarly, consider the role of low-frequency vibrations in the lives of elephants. These intelligent and social animals use infrasound to communicate over vast distances, coordinating their movements, warning of predators, and maintaining social bonds within their herds. Their footfalls, generating powerful seismic waves, can be felt and interpreted by other elephants miles away, creating a network of communication that transcends the limitations of sight and sound as we perceive them. The ability to communicate in this way is particularly crucial in dense forests or across open savannas, where visual contact is limited. It allows them to maintain cohesion, share vital information, and protect themselves and their young from harm. Beyond whales and elephants, many other species rely on low-frequency sound for survival. Rhinos use infrasound to attract mates and defend their territories. Giraffes, with their long necks and limited vocal range, may use low-frequency vibrations to communicate with each other across the African plains. Even smaller animals like insects and amphibians are sensitive to low-frequency vibrations in the soil, using them to detect predators, find food, and navigate their environment. The more we learn about the acoustic world of animals, the more we realize the complexity and interconnectedness of life on Earth. Now, focus on your breath, feeling the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Imagine that with each exhale, you're releasing any tension or stress that you may be holding on to. With each inhale, you are filling your body with a sense of peace and tranquility. Let the sounds of the natural world wash over you, soothing your mind and calming your spirit. Picture yourself lying in a meadow surrounded by wildflowers. The sun is warm on your skin, and a gentle breeze is rustling through the grass. You can hear the buzzing of bees, the chirping of crickets, and the distant calls of birds. Feel the earth beneath you, grounding you and connecting you to the natural world. Allow yourself to drift deeper and deeper into relaxation, letting go of all thoughts and worries. You are safe, you are loved, and you are at peace. Let the gentle sounds of nature lull you into a deep and restful sleep. Sweet dreams that as we delve deeper into this hidden acoustic landscape, we begin to appreciate the sheer ingenuity of evolution. Creatures have adapted to not only perceive these subtle vibrations, but also to generate them in astonishing ways. Consider the fascinating world of subterranean rodents like the naked mole rat. Living in complete darkness, these creatures rely heavily on low-frequency vibrations to navigate their complex tunnel systems and communicate within their colonies. They thump their feet and heads against the tunnel walls, creating seismic signals that travel through the earth, alerting others to potential dangers or the presence of food sources. This intricate network of vibrational communication allows them to thrive in an environment where sight and sound, as we typically understand them, are practically useless. Similarly, certain species of fish, particularly those inhabiting murky or deep-sea environments, utilize low-frequency sound to navigate and locate prey. The swim bladders of these fish can act as resonators, amplifying even the faintest vibrations in the water. This allows them to detect the subtle movements of other creatures, even in the absence of light or clear visibility. Some species even use low-frequency sound to stun or disorient their prey, making them easier to catch. The ocean, often perceived as a silent realm, is in reality a cacophony of low-frequency sounds, a hidden language spoken by its inhabitants. Even the seemingly silent world of plants is not immune to the influence of low-frequency vibrations. Recent research suggests that plants can detect and respond to vibrational cues in their environment. For example, some plants have been shown to grow towards sources of low-frequency sound, potentially indicating the presence of water or nutrients. Others may use vibrational signals to detect the presence of herbivores, triggering defensive mechanisms to protect themselves from being eaten. The intricate relationship between plants and the vibrational world is only beginning to be understood, but it suggests a level of complexity and interconnectedness in the natural world that we are only just beginning to appreciate. The study of low-frequency soundscapes has profound implications for conservation efforts. Human activities, such as construction, mining, and shipping, generate significant amounts of low-frequency noise that can interfere with animal communication and behavior. This noise pollution can disrupt migration patterns, reduce breeding success, and even lead to habitat abandonment. By understanding the acoustic environment of different species, we can develop strategies to mitigate the impact of human activities and protect these vital communication channels. Imagine the gentle lapping of waves against the shore, a rhythmic pulse that resonates through the sand and into your very being. This low-frequency sound, almost imperceptible to our conscious awareness, carries information about the tides, the weather, and the overall health of the ocean. It is a constant reminder of the interconnectedness of all things, the subtle web of vibrations that connects us to the natural world. Now, bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils and the warm air leaving your body. With each breath, you are becoming more deeply relaxed, more attuned to the subtle sensations in your body. Let go of any thoughts or worries that may be lingering in your mind. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, surrounded by the soothing sounds of nature. Visualize yourself lying on a soft, mossy bed in a quiet forest. Sunlight filters through the leaves, creating dappled patterns of light and shadow. You can hear the gentle rustling of leaves in the breeze, the distant murmur of a stream, and the soft hooting of an owl. Feel the peace and tranquility of the forest enveloping you, washing away any stress or tension that you may be holding on to. You are safe, you are calm, and you are at peace. Let the gentle sounds of nature guide you into a deep and restful sleep. Allow yourself to drift away, knowing that you are connected to the vast and wondrous world around you. Sweet dreams and peaceful slumber await. Let the low hum of the earth cradle you into sleep. Imagine the deep rumble of a whale's song echoing through the vastness of the ocean. These low-frequency calls, often traveling hundreds or even thousands of miles, are a crucial form of communication for these magnificent creatures. They use these sounds to find mates, coordinate hunting strategies, and maintain social bonds across immense distances. The low frequencies allow the sound to bend around obstacles and penetrate deeper into the water, ensuring that their messages reach their intended recipients. Think of it as an underwater internet, a network of sound connecting individuals and communities in ways we are only beginning to understand. Consider the subtle vibrations created by an elephant's footstep. These low-frequency seismic signals travel through the ground, allowing elephants to communicate with each other over considerable distances, even when visual or auditory cues are limited. They can detect these vibrations through specialized receptors in their feet and trunks, using them to warn of danger locate food sources, and coordinate movements within their social groups. This ability is particularly important in dense vegetation or during nighttime hours when visibility is reduced. It's a testament to the incredible adaptations that animals have developed to thrive in their environments. But the importance of low-frequency soundscapes extends beyond communication. Many animals rely on these subtle vibrations for navigation and orientation. Migratory birds, for example, may use infrasound, sounds below the range of human hearing, to detect changes in weather patterns and navigate long distances. These low-frequency sounds can travel thousands of kilometers, providing birds with a crucial navigational aid that is unaffected by clouds or other visual obstructions. Similarly, some insects may use low-frequency vibrations to locate food sources or potential mates, even when they are hidden beneath the surface of the ground. And let's not forget the role of low-frequency sounds in rest and relaxation. Just as the gentle hum of a fan or the rhythmic ticking of a clock can be soothing to humans, many animals may find comfort in the subtle vibrations of their environment. The low-frequency sounds of nature, such as the wind rustling through trees or the gentle flow of water, can create a sense of calm and security, helping animals to relax and conserve energy. This is particularly important for animals that are constantly on alert for predators or competing for resources. The study of animal bioacoustics, especially at these lower frequencies, opens a window into a world we can barely perceive ourselves. It reveals the intricate ways in which animals interact with their environment and with each other, highlighting the importance of preserving these natural soundscapes. It challenges us to be more mindful of the impact of our activities on the acoustic environment and to find ways to minimize our noise footprint. Protecting these vital communication channels is essential for ensuring the long-term survival and well-being of countless species. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine yourself immersed in this world of subtle vibrations. Feel the earth beneath you, the air around you, and the interconnectedness of all living things. Let the gentle hum of the planet resonate within you, bringing you a sense of peace and tranquility. Release any tension or stress that you may be holding on to, and allow yourself to drift deeper and deeper into relaxation. Visualize a field of wildflowers swaying gently in the breeze. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blossoms and the buzzing of bees. You can feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and the soft earth beneath your feet. This is a place of peace, beauty, and tranquility. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, surrounded by the soothing sounds of nature. You are safe, you are calm, and you are at peace. Let the gentle sounds of nature guide you into a deep and restful sleep. Allow yourself to drift away, knowing that you are connected to the vast and wondrous world around you. Sweet dreams and peaceful slumber await. Let the low hum of the earth cradle you into sleep, and may the secret language of animals fill your dreams with wonder and peace. And as you lie here, enveloped by the gentle soundscape, consider the profound implications of what we've explored. The low-frequency whispers of the natural world are not merely background noise. They're a vital component of the ecological web. Imagine the vast migrations of whales, guided across immense oceans by infrasonic signals, or the subtle communications of elephants maintaining social bonds across miles of savanna. These are intricate dialogues, woven into the fabric of life itself. But this delicate acoustic tapestry is increasingly threatened by human activity. The relentless hum of urban sprawl, the rumble of industrial machinery, and the pervasive noise of maritime traffic are all contributing to a phenomenon known as acoustic pollution. This cacophony can mask the natural soundscapes that animals rely on for survival, disrupting their ability to navigate, communicate, and find food. For marine animals, in particular, the consequences can be devastating, as the low-frequency sounds used by ships can interfere with their own communication signals, leading to disorientation, stress, and even death. Therefore, understanding and protecting these low-frequency soundscapes is not just an academic exercise. It is a moral imperative. We must strive to mitigate the impact of our activities on the acoustic environment by developing quieter technologies, establishing protected areas where natural soundscapes can thrive, and promoting greater awareness of the importance of acoustic ecology. This requires a collaborative effort involving scientists, policymakers, and the public, all working together to safeguard the sonic heritage of our planet. Think about the quiet moments you've experienced in nature: a hushed forest, a tranquil lake, or a starlit desert. These are places where the natural soundscape reigns supreme, where the subtle vibrations of life can be felt and heard. These are the places we must strive to protect, not only for the sake of the animals that depend on them, but also for our own well-being. For in these quiet spaces, we can reconnect with the natural world, find solace and inspiration, and remember our place within the larger web of life. Now, focus again on your breath. Inhale deeply, drawing in the calm and peaceful energy of the natural world. Exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension or stress. With each breath, you are becoming more and more relaxed, more and more at peace. Imagine yourself floating on a calm sea, gently rocking with the waves. The sun is warm on your skin, and the air is filled with the salty scent of the ocean. You are completely safe, completely secure, and completely at peace. As you continue to drift, let the gentle hum of the earth lull you into a deep and restful sleep. Let the secret language of animals fill your dreams with wonder and inspiration. Know that you are connected to all living things, and that your presence in this world is a gift. Sleep soundly, knowing that you are part of something larger than yourself, and that you are loved and cherished beyond measure. Good night and sweet dreams. May the whispers of the earth guide you through the night and awaken you refreshed and renewed. And as you rest there, cradled by the earth's gentle vibrations, consider the intricate tapestry of life that unfolds around you, often unnoticed. Think of the earthworms, tirelessly aerating the soil beneath your feet, their silent movements creating pathways for life-giving air and water. Imagine the fungi, a vast network of mycelium stretching for miles beneath the surface, connecting trees and plants in a symbiotic dance of nutrient exchange. These are the unseen architects of our ecosystems, working in harmony to sustain the world around us. Their lives, though largely hidden from our view, are a testament to the power of collaboration and interdependence. Consider, too, the migratory patterns of birds, guided by an innate understanding of the Earth's magnetic fields and the subtle cues of the natural world. They navigate vast distances, following ancestral routes passed down through generations, a living map etched into their very being. Each chirp, each song, is a thread in the grand symphony of life, a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things. Their journeys are a testament to resilience, adaptation, and the enduring power of instinct. And as you drift deeper into sleep, let your mind wander to the depths of the ocean, where whales sing their haunting melodies, communicating across vast distances through the power of low-frequency sound. Their songs are complex and nuanced, carrying messages of love, warning, and connection. They're the keepers of ancient wisdom, their lives intertwined with the health and well-being of the ocean ecosystem. Their voices are a reminder of the profound mysteries that lie beneath the surface of our planet, waiting to be explored and understood. They remind us that even in the darkest depths, life finds a way to flourish, to connect, and to endure. So, let the quiet hum of the universe embrace you, wrapping you in a blanket of peace and tranquility. Release any thoughts or worries that may be lingering in your mind, and allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. You are safe, you are loved, and you are connected to all living things. Trust in the wisdom of your body to guide you into a deep and restful sleep. Allow the Earth's vibrations to soothe your soul, and let the secret language of animals fill your dreams with wonder and inspiration. May your sleep be filled with peace, and may you awaken refreshed and renewed, ready to embrace the day with a sense of gratitude and joy. Sleep well, and may the whispers of the wild guide you through the night. As you rest, consider the world of insects, often unseen and unheard, yet vital to the balance of our ecosystems. Many insects communicate through vibrations, minute tremors that travel through the ground or along plant stems. These vibrations carry crucial information about food sources, potential mates, and impending danger. Imagine the intricate web of communication happening beneath our feet, a silent symphony conducted by creatures so small, yet so essential. Each buzz, each hum, each subtle vibration is a signal, a message passed from one individual to another, weaving a tapestry of life that sustains the world around us. They are the unsung heroes of the natural world, their tiny voices contributing to the chorus of life that surrounds us. Think, too, of the intricate communication systems of social insects like ants and bees. They use pheromones, chemical signals that convey a wealth of information, from marking trails to alerting the colony to danger. These chemical messages are a language unto themselves, a complex system of communication that allows these creatures to work together with remarkable efficiency and coordination. Their colonies are like superorganisms, each individual playing a specific role in the collective survival of the group. Their lives are a testament to the power of cooperation and the ingenuity of nature. They remind us that even the smallest creatures can achieve great things when they work together. And as you slip further into slumber, let your thoughts drift to the world of plants, often perceived as silent and passive, yet capable of communicating in subtle and profound ways. Recent research has revealed that plants can communicate with each other through the release of volatile organic compounds, airborne chemicals that carry information about threats and opportunities. They can also communicate through mycorrhizal networks, underground networks of fungi that connect the roots of different plants, allowing them to share nutrients and information. They are not merely passive recipients of their environment, but active participants in a complex web of communication and interaction. Their silent conversations are a reminder that life is interconnected in ways we are only beginning to understand. So, surrender to the embrace of sleep, knowing that you are part of a vast and interconnected web of life, a symphony of sounds and vibrations that spans the entire planet. Let the gentle rhythm of your breath guide you deeper into relaxation, and allow the whispers of the natural world to lull you into a peaceful slumber. Trust in the wisdom of your body to restore and rejuvenate you, and know that you are connected to all living things in ways that are both profound and mysterious. May your dreams be filled with the wonders of the natural world, and may you awaken refreshed and renewed, ready to embrace the day with a sense of wonder and gratitude. Sleep soundly, and may the secret language of animals fill your night with peace and tranquility. Good night, and as you drift deeper, consider the ocean's depths, a realm of perpetual twilight where sound reigns supreme. Whales, the gentle giants of the sea, use low-frequency calls that can travel hundreds, even thousands of miles. These sonic leviathans communicate across vast distances, sharing information about migration routes, mating opportunities, and potential dangers. Imagine the intricate web of communication stretching across entire oceans, a symphony of whale song echoing through the deep. Scientists are only beginning to decipher the complexities of these underwater conversations, but it is clear that these sounds play a vital role in the lives of these magnificent creatures. They remind us that our planet is connected in ways we are only beginning to appreciate, and that the ocean's depths hold secrets yet to be uncovered. Think also of the smaller inhabitants of the marine world. Even tiny crustaceans, like snapping shrimp, create powerful sounds with their claws, generating sonic booms that stun their prey. These miniature explosions are a testament to the power of sound in the animal kingdom, and they highlight the diverse ways in which animals use acoustics to survive and thrive. The ocean is a cacophony of sounds, a vibrant soundscape filled with the calls of fish, the clicks of dolphins, and the rumble of tectonic plates. It is a world of constant communication, a symphony of life that plays out beneath the waves. Now, let your mind wander to the world of insects, often overlooked but essential to our planet's ecosystems. Many insects use vibrations to communicate, sending signals through the ground or through plant stems. Some insects, like the bark beetle, create intricate patterns of vibrations that attract mates or warn of predators. These subtle signals are often imperceptible to humans, but they are vital to the lives of these tiny creatures. They remind us that communication is not always about loud noises or visual displays, but can also be about subtle vibrations and intricate patterns of movement. The world of insects is a world of constant communication, a hidden network of signals that plays out all around us. And as you continue to relax, consider the interconnectedness of all living things. The sounds of animals, plants, and even the earth itself are all part of a larger symphony of life. These sounds can tell us about the health of our planet, the behavior of animals, and the intricate relationships between different species. By listening to these sounds, we can gain a deeper understanding of the natural world and our place within it. The study of bioacoustics is a powerful tool for understanding our planet, and it is helping us to unravel the secrets of the animal kingdom. It is a reminder that we are all connected, and that the sounds of the natural world are a vital part of our shared heritage. So, allow yourself to be carried away by the gentle sounds of the night. Let the whispers of the wind, the rustling of leaves, and the distant calls of animals lull you into a peaceful slumber. Trust in the power of nature to soothe and restore you, and know that you are part of a vast and interconnected web of life. May your dreams be filled with the wonders of the natural world, and may you awaken refreshed and renewed, ready to embrace the day with a sense of wonder and gratitude. Sleep soundly, and may the secret language of animals fill your night with peace and tranquility. Good night. And as the night deepens, let's delve a little further into the fascinating world of infrasound and its effects, not just on animals, but potentially on us as well. While the conscious human ear struggles to perceive these ultra-low frequencies, some researchers believe we can still be affected by them on a subconscious level. Think about the rumbling of distant thunder. You might not pinpoint it immediately, but you feel it, a primal tremor that resonates deep within. Some scientists hypothesize that infrasound can influence our mood, our sense of well-being, and even our perception of the environment around us. Imagine, for instance, the subtle vibrations emanating from a large body of water, like an ocean or a vast lake. These infrasonic waves, generated by the movement of tides, currents, and even distant storms, could potentially have a calming effect on us, a gentle resonance that soothes our nervous system. It's a speculative area of research, but one that hints at the profound and often unseen ways in which our bodies are connected to the natural world. Consider, too, the geological activity that constantly shapes our planet. Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and even the slow, inexorable movement of tectonic plates generate powerful infrasonic waves that travel vast distances through the Earth and even into the atmosphere. While these events can be destructive, they also serve as a reminder of the immense power and energy that lies beneath our feet, a constant, albeit often imperceptible, hum that underlies all life on Earth. Animals, of course, are far more attuned to these subtle signals, using them to anticipate danger, navigate their surroundings, and communicate across vast distances. Elephants, for example, can detect seismic vibrations through their feet, allowing them to sense approaching storms or locate other members of their herd miles away. Whales use infrasound to communicate across entire oceans, their calls traveling hundreds, even thousands, of kilometers through the water. But the human impact on the natural soundscape is also something to consider. The rise of industrialization, transportation, and urbanization has introduced a cacophony of man-made noises into the environment, many of which fall into the low-frequency range. Ships, trains, construction equipment, and even wind turbines can generate infrasound that can potentially disrupt animal communication, interfere with navigation, and even have negative impacts on human health. Noise pollution is not just about the sounds we can hear. It's also about the subtle vibrations that permeate our environment, affecting all living things in ways we are only beginning to understand. As we drift closer to sleep, remember that the world of sound is far more complex and nuanced than we often realize. It's a world of hidden signals, subtle vibrations, and intricate patterns of communication that connect all living things. By listening more closely to the natural world, by paying attention to the sounds we can't hear, as well as those we can gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of life on Earth and our place within it. So breathe deeply, relax your body, and allow yourself to be carried away by the gentle sounds of the night. Let the infrasonic whispers of the earth and its creatures lull you into a peaceful and restorative slumber. May your dreams be filled with the wonders of bioacoustics, and may you awaken refreshed and renewed, ready to embrace the day with a sense of wonder and gratitude. Sleep well, and may the secret language of animals fill your night with peace and tranquility. Good night. The study of infrasound and low-frequency communication is a relatively young field, and there is still much we don't know about the full extent of its influence on animal behavior and ecosystems. Scientists are employing increasingly sophisticated technologies, like highly sensitive hydrophones and seismic sensors, to eavesdrop on these hidden conversations and gain new insights into the lives of creatures great and small. These technologies allow researchers to not only detect the presence of infrasound, but also to analyze its characteristics, such as frequency, amplitude, and duration, to decipher the information it conveys. One of the most exciting areas of research is the investigation of how infrasound may be used for navigation. Some migratory animals, such as birds and whales, are believed to use low-frequency sounds as a sort of auditory map, guiding them across vast distances to their breeding or feeding grounds. The Earth itself generates a constant hum of infrasound caused by seismic activity, ocean waves, and even atmospheric turbulence. It's possible that these animals are able to perceive and interpret these subtle vibrations, using them to orient themselves and maintain their course. The implications of this research are far-reaching. Understanding how animals use infrasound for communication and navigation can help us to better protect them from the harmful effects of noise pollution. By identifying the sources of man-made infrasound and mitigating their impact, we can create a more harmonious soundscape that supports the health and well-being of both animals and humans. This might involve implementing stricter regulations on noise levels in industrial areas, developing quieter transportation technologies, or creating protected areas where animals can communicate and navigate without interference. Furthermore, studying bioacoustics provides valuable insights into the evolution of communication and sensory perception. By comparing the infrasound capabilities of different species, we can learn about the selective pressures that have shaped their auditory systems and the ways in which they have adapted to their environments. This knowledge can help us to better understand the diversity of life on Earth and the intricate relationships that connect all living things. So, as you continue to relax and prepare for sleep, consider the hidden world of sound that surrounds us, a world filled with whispers and vibrations that are constantly shaping the lives of animals and influencing the ecosystems in which they live. Think of the whales singing their songs across the ocean depths, the elephants communicating across the savanna, and the birds navigating by the infrasonic hum of the earth. These are just a few examples of the remarkable ways in which animals use low-frequency sound to connect with each other and their environment. Close your eyes and imagine yourself immersed in this world of sound, a world of hidden signals and subtle vibrations that is both fascinating and profound. Let the gentle hum of the earth and the whispers of its creatures lull you into a deep and restful sleep. Allow your mind to wander through the landscapes of bioacoustics, exploring the mysteries of animal communication and the wonders of the natural world. Sleep soundly, and may your dreams be filled with the secret language of animals. Sweet dreams. And as you drift off, remember that even our own bodies are not silent. Infrasound is generated by many internal processes, from the beating of our hearts to the movement of our muscles. While we are not consciously aware of these sounds, they are a constant part of our internal environment, a subtle reminder of the complex and intricate workings of our bodies. Perhaps on some subconscious level, we are more attuned to the infrasound world than we realize. Consider the potential for future research in this fascinating field. As technology advances, we are developing increasingly sophisticated tools for recording and analyzing infrasound. This opens up new possibilities for studying animal communication and behavior in greater detail. We may be able to decipher the complex conversations of whales, understand how elephants coordinate their movements across vast distances, or even eavesdrop on the secret communications of insects. Furthermore, the study of bioacoustics can have important implications for conservation efforts. By understanding how animals use sound to navigate, communicate, and find food, we can better protect their habitats and mitigate the impacts of human activities. For example, by mapping the infrasound landscape of a particular area, We can identify critical habitats for certain species and take steps to minimize noise pollution in those areas. This could involve rerouting shipping lanes, restricting construction activities, or implementing noise barriers. Imagine a future where we have a comprehensive understanding of the infrasound world, a future where we can listen in on the conversations of animals and use this knowledge to protect their habitats and promote their well-being. This is not just a dream. It is a realistic goal that we can achieve through continued research and collaboration. So, as you continue to breathe deeply and relax, let your mind wander through the possibilities of bioacoustics. Think of the discoveries that are waiting to be made, the secrets that are waiting to be revealed. Consider the potential for using sound to improve our understanding of the natural world and to create a more harmonious relationship between humans and animals. And remember that even in the quietest of moments, the world around us is filled with sound. It is a language that we are only just beginning to understand, a language that holds the key to unlocking some of the deepest mysteries of life on Earth. Allow yourself to be fascinated by this hidden world of sound, and let it inspire you to learn more about the wonders of the natural world. Now, release any tension you might be holding, and let your body sink deeper into the mattress. Focus on your breath, and allow each exhale to carry away any remaining stress or worries. As you drift further into sleep, imagine yourself surrounded by the gentle hum of the earth, the whispers of the wind, and the subtle vibrations of the natural world. Let these sounds soothe you and lull you into a deep and restful sleep. Sweet dreams, and may your night be filled with peace and tranquility. Allow the low frequencies to wash over you, a calming balm for your mind and body, a gentle reminder of the interconnectedness of all things. Good night, and as you drift further down into slumber, consider the technology that makes this exploration possible. Sophisticated hydrophones, sensitive enough to capture the faintest underwater whispers, are our ears in the deep. Advanced software allows us to filter through the cacophony of the ocean and isolate the specific frequencies we seek. Think of the engineers and scientists working tirelessly to refine these tools, pushing the boundaries of what we can hear and understand. Their dedication is revealing a hidden world, layer by layer, frequency by frequency. Imagine the challenges they face, the crushing pressure of the deep ocean, the constant background noise of waves and ships, the sheer vastness of the underwater realm. Yet, despite these obstacles, they persevere, driven by a thirst for knowledge and a passion for protecting the planet's incredible biodiversity. Their work is a testament to human ingenuity and our unwavering curiosity about the natural world. And it's not just the ocean. Think of the vast grasslands where elephants communicate over miles using infrasound that travels through the earth itself. Scientists are developing geophones, instruments that measure ground vibrations to listen in on these conversations. They're learning about elephant social structures, migration patterns, and even their emotional states, all through the language of low-frequency rumbles. This knowledge is crucial for conservation efforts, helping us to protect these magnificent creatures from poaching and habitat loss. Consider the possibilities for using bioacoustics in agriculture. Plants, too, may communicate through subtle vibrations and chemical signals. Imagine a future where farmers can listen to their crops, detecting signs of stress or disease before they become visible to the naked eye. This could lead to more sustainable farming practices, reducing the need for pesticides and fertilizers, and ensuring a more resilient food supply. The potential applications are truly limitless. But beyond the practical applications, there is something deeply profound about listening to the natural world. It connects us to something larger than ourselves, reminding us that we are all part of a vast and interconnected web of life. It fosters a sense of wonder and appreciation for the beauty and complexity of the planet. And in a world that often feels chaotic and disconnected, it offers a sense of peace and tranquility. So, as you continue to breathe deeply, let the sounds of the natural world wash over you. Imagine the gentle hum of the forest, the rhythmic crashing of the waves, the subtle vibrations of the earth beneath your feet. Let these sounds remind you of the interconnectedness of all things, and let them fill you with a sense of peace and tranquility. Release any remaining tension and allow yourself to drift further into sleep. Imagine yourself floating on a calm sea, surrounded by the gentle sounds of the ocean. Let these sounds lull you into a deep and restful sleep, and may your dreams be filled with wonder and joy. Sweet dreams and good night. May the low frequencies guide you to a place of deep rest and rejuvenation, preparing you for a new day filled with possibilities. Let the quiet whispers of the earth sing you to sleep.